In this video, I will show you how to run a drip campaign in CRM and how the system automatically updates the lead stage without any manual work. A drip campaign is a sequence of automated messages sent to lead over the time. These messages are sent automatically based on predefined rules and delays. So let us start creating our drip campaign. For the very first step, go to the menu section, Automations. From that, click on Workflow. Now we will create a new workflow. So for now, we have already created one sales funnel drip campaign. So I'll just click on view icon. If your flow is new, just simply click on create flow. Now, as we can see, we have first took the custom webhook. From here, we will give the title test. This is our URL, the webhook URL. Now we will add this webhook to our CRM trigger. So whenever our superfill, that is a new sales funnel updated, it will be triggered. So for that, firstly, we will just duplicate this tab. Always click on save workflow and don't forget to enable it so you won't lose your work. And now from here, we will go to CRM. We will go to CRM triggers and click on add new trigger. As our trigger is already have been created, the sales funnel training. I'll just click on add it. So here we can add the name. Here we can add the copied URL, which we had copied from the webhook. Now, after copying the URL, we have the next option, trigger when contact. So we will select created or edited. Whenever we create or edit particular contact, then this webhook should be triggered. Now for the execute when, from the drop down, we have three options, any field updated, any of selected field updated, or all of selected field updated. We will select any of the selected field updated. And for the next step, from the drop down, we will select our field. From here, your super field, I have already selected sales funnel training. So whenever sales funnel training is created or updated of a particular contact, then this web will get triggered. So I'll just simply click on updated trigger. So after this, we'll just simply click on updated trigger. If your trigger is new, it will show you an option of add trigger. Now I will show you how this works. So let us go back to our flow. Now I'm activating capture incoming webhook so I can receive the data for testing. So I'll just simply click in here. After that, I'll just again duplicate my tab, click on here, go to CRM, go to board section. Now let us go to open boards and let us update our data. So I will just move this chat from new to scheduled visit. Now let us again go to our flow. And as we can see, the data received successfully. The CRM trigger is triggering this webhook and we have received the data. So just click on save button. We can also see the received data from here, show received data. As we can see, the event is updated from the changes. It changed to scheduled visit. Okay. Now after this step, we can start creating our drip campaign. So first of all, we will add the basic router here. After the basic router, We will create one filter as new. I'll just simply click on it, setup filter. So first we will label it as new. That is our first lead name. Then we will map here, change sales funnel from changes. We will map sales funnel training here. That is this one. We will put a condition and here we will put our ID, the value. So the value should be as same as we kept in our boards. So I'll just show you. So it should be as same as this. We even have to take care of the case sensitive and then just click on save filter. Similarly, we will create all the 4 filters: schedule visit, visit done, and won. As you can see here, set up a filter and I have labeled as scheduled visit. I have mapped the same thing as sales funnel training. I've put the condition, and for the value, I will copy and paste as same as from the board. So after creating the filter, if you would like to send a template message to encourage the lead to book a visit, from here we can send a template message. So if you're creating a new flow, just simply click on add icon, and from there you can go to CRM and you can select send template message. And after that, we will select our channel from here. I have already pre-made my templates. So we have selected the booking reminder here, and here we will map our WhatsApp number. So from the contact, we will go to the profile, and from the profile we will go to the WhatsApp and we will click on identifier to get the WABA. Okay, and just click on run and save. Similarly, we will create all 4 different templates and the router will decide which lead should follow which drip. So whenever you need to add it to, so whenever a lead is added to the board in a new stage, this message will get triggered to the right lead. Now let us suppose if this template have a button, for example, book a visit or schedule to visit. So the button also get triggered by clicking on it and it will change the stage of the lead. So now we will see the further steps. Suppose if you want to nurture a particular lead for some days, like 2 days or 7 days nurturing, if you would like to do so, you can add multiple templates block. Suppose I'm sending a first template block, but the lead is not clicking on the visit button. So I will add a delay here. So we have already added the delay here of 24 hours. Just click on save button. After 24 hours, that is next day, I will again check whether the lead is updated in the stage 2 or not. And to check that, we have to get the another block from the CRM, that is get single custom field of a contact. Simply click on it. So now for the contact ID, we will again map the identifier from here. And for the custom field ID, we will get that from our super field. So let us go back to our super field section, go to CRM, go to super field. And this is our field created already, sales funnel drill. Just copy this ID from here. You can see copied. Go back to our flow and just paste it over here. Click on run and save. Now, if you click on show run history, from the output, response and data, you can see that you got the value scheduled visit. All right. So now, if the stage is still in the same stage, then you can again send this message. So first, we will create a stage is same filter, and then from the CRM, we will send the template message. So we will create the template message. So let us see the stages same filter first of all. Set up the filter, stages same, and now for the condition from the data, we'll just click on data for the condition. That means that whatever data we are receiving here, we will put in this condition and just click on save filter. And for our template message, we will again map all the similar values and select the same template as we did in our first step and just click on run and save button. So for every stage, you can create a flow like this. And now I will again show you how this flow will work. So for instance, we will just go again to our board section. And if our lead is updated to the visit done section, or if our lead is updated from, let us see if it is here in new section. And if our lead is updated from new to scheduled visit, then this section of the bot drip campaign will get followed. Similarly, if the lead is updated from scheduled visit to visit done, this section of the lead will follow. One more thing to make this bot easier, we have the feature we can simply copy this. We'll click on the copy button and we can simply copy this block and we just need to change the value here. For instance, we can see everything is same, just we need to change the value over here. So I haven't changed it here, so I'll just click on the channel. I'll select my template for the schedule visit. Just refresh it, so I'll get the template. I'll map the WhatsApp number from the identifier. And my button, I have a variable in the template, so I'll just simply write test for now and click on run and save. So this way we just need to change the values. We can copy the flow and make it easier to execute. And by this way, we have seen that how to run a drip campaign in a CRM and how the system automatically update the different lead stages without any manual work. Thanks for watching.